please. Um, because I'm just playing this game, and now it's gone. And oh yes, I am gonna play this because how do I play this game? Airplane problem. What's the problem? Airplane. And okay, because it's a airplane problem, and we have to survive. And we're gonna get a party time. A party time. A party time. Let's start. Oh yes. Where are we? Where are we? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. I knew I could fix it. Back to normal. Oh yes. Toy seat. Oh, my toy seat. And my number. Oh no, where are we? Yes, I'm ready to get an easier home. This one wins all good because you better watch out. Oh no, we have to watch out. No, no, oh my god. Whoa, I almost. God, watch out. Oh yeah. What? This is so hard. I'm so scared. Oh no. Oh. The point! Yes. Because I win. Right. She wrapped the game. What? I got 400. And I have 0. I got you. Friends, because I have to accept some friends. Oh yes, this is my new friend. Oh yes, I forgot. Wait, how come? Because because I can watch YouTube. Because I can't watch YouTube. And what is that? Oh no. Anybody else see that sound? Oh no. Don't tell me these are snakes. This is not good. Deja. Oh no, there's snakes everywhere! Snakes. Where are the snakes? We have to get out of this. No! Snakes! Ouch! No. I have to get my food. No! Don't get me! I will get you. No, there's snakes everywhere! One! There's snakes! One! What? Stop! Stop it! Don't hurt me! I hate you! What? Snakes! Stop! I hate you! One! Stop it! Stop! You will! Stop it! Oh, else! Stop! I hate snakes! Oh! This is so boring! No, I am gonna... yes. No, that's better. High beginning. These must come from ever since before. When you continue. Every shuffle you can continue your journey. If you fail the test, you will be disappointed into the lava. Don't be afraid. You'll see. Good luck. No, stop! Oh no! Oh, what? I failed. Oh yes, circle. You won. It's oh, circle again. Oh, he died. It's circle again. No, that's not the right thing. It's circle. Oh yes, I got it right. I got it right. Oh, hectagon. Hectagon again. Whoa. Triangle. Oh, circle. Oh my god. Hectagon again. I think we win. Because I'm gonna die. I got an 8. Oh yes, hurry. I'm sick. I'm smelling in the cat. I could get sick. It's a fit. I want to eat cookies. Oh yes, I eat some.
Why are you just doing twos? That's not. You can't make a sequel. Super Mario plus Super Fertilizer. Super Mushroom.
Oh yes.
Invention. Mario. I combine two super mushrooms.
Oh yes. Oh my god. Because I got 6. I got more than us. And where are we? Hey, you must be the personal driver. In that case, you have to take swimming challenge. What? You can't swim! Oh, I can't turn it off! You have to make it all the way up! Good luck! No, oh yes! And climb! How do I, oh my god! Get! I have to escape! You have to escape! Jump! Oh yes! And jump! And jump! And jump! 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 And jump! And jump! Jump! And jump! And climb! And we have to cross this road. Because I can't swim. And I won! This is easy! Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay.